Updating your legal name on Cludo is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your name is updated quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your Cludo account by entering your username and password. Make sure you are using the correct credentials to avoid any login issues. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings option in the main menu. Click on it to access your personal information and settings. Step 3. Select Name Change option. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Enter your new legal name. Input your new legal name in the provided fields. Double check for any spelling errors to ensure accuracy. Some platforms may require you to enter your previous name as well. Step 5. Submit your changes. After entering your new name, find the Submit button and click it. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that your request is being processed. Keep an eye on your email for any further instructions or confirmations. Once you have completed these steps, your legal name on Cludo should be updated promptly. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.